Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can use the new AI styles on CapCut. So first, you are going to select a picture. It only works for pictures, by the way, so import the picture to your phone. Then select the video like so. The photo like so. Select style. Don't select effects or filters, it's in styles. Then go to AI photo, and here you can choose from Rich Young, American, Oxygen, Portrait, and there's Korean, exotic, fashion, etc. I'm just going to select this one and add it to the photo and wait for it to generate. And here's what it will look like. It shows like a princess, I guess. And there's like different styles you can choose from. Hold on. Like this one. Like that. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!